my lady, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I please welcome you to the House of Lords this evening, and may I now introduce to you Mr. Manoj Kumar Khanna.
देवी और सज्जनों, मैं श्रीमती बैनस वर्मा और श्री अशोक वर्मा और आप सबका धन्यवाद करता हूं, जिन्होंने अपना कीमती समय निकालकर हमारे इस कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। साथ ही मैं MATV के श्री कुलदीप शेखावत और आज तक टीवी की श्रीमती लवीना टंडन और ZTV के श्री ध्रुव गढ़वी और प्रिंट मीडिया का भी धन्यवाद करता हूं, जिन्होंने हमारे इस कार्यक्रम में भाग लिया। आशा करता हूं कि आप हमारे इस प्रथम प्रयास को अपेक्षा के अनुकूल पाएंगे और अगले वर्ष फिर इसी प्रकार का सहयोग प्रदान करेंगे। Distinguished guests, lords, baroness, members of parliament, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all. I first of all would like to pay my sincere gratitude to all of you on behalf of Jagatwani team for taking out time from your busy schedule and giving us the honor by attending this gala evening at the magnificent House of Lords. I would also like to specially thank Mr. Ashok Verma, Honorable Banas Verma and their associates. Without their supports, this event would have not been possible. I also thank Honorable MP Seema Malhotra, Shrimati Suniti Sharma, Shrimati Sangeeta Bahadur and all beloved guests who helped us to make this event a success. The journey of Jagatwani began 24 years ago in 1987 in Jalandhar, Punjab, India, when it was established as a weekly Hindi newspaper by Mr. Ashok Kumar Khanna, who has specially travelled from India to attend this event. Sir, I thank you and welcome you today. The journey of Jagatwani would be incomplete without noting the effort put in by Mr. Om Prakash Khanna, who is the founder of Jagatwani, taking the idea forward. I, with the help of my team, worked constantly and launched the Hindi newspaper Jagatwani in the United Kingdom in 2007. Being the first of its kind since its launch in the UK, Jagatwani has become one of the most popular Hindi newspapers amongst various other Indian publications. After its launch, within a short span of time, Jagatwani newspaper, while establishing its credentials as a leading Hindi newspaper, it was awarded by the Indian High Commission in London 2009. It has never been a cakewalk to run a Hindi newspaper free of cost in the UK, but with the support of all our readers and well-wishers, we were able to make it a success with an aim to ignite the feeling of love and respect amongst our Asian community towards the Indian culture in general and Hindi language in particular. Jagatwani newspaper not only covers news from various backgrounds like politics, culture, literature, language, Bollywood industry, including food, beverage, aviation and banking. It also recognizes various social works done by the people in different fields, not only in UK or India, but globally. It covers functions and events arranged by the Asian community and also provides necessary support to them whenever required. And today it gives me great pleasure that we are not only celebrating success of Jagatwani, but also celebrating the success of various leaders and achievers for their tireless efforts and dedications in their own respective fields. I would like to quote a saying of former Indian President, the Honorable Shri APJ Abdul Kalam here. He said, in whatever field we work, we have to remain in the service of the common man, whose well-being is central to all human knowledge and endeavor. Very few people believe in their dreams and chase their dreams until they achieve success, and today we are here to facilitate such great individuals who are believers of their dreams. These individuals inspire us to achieve our dreams. They tell us no dreams are too big to achieve. They also tell us to keep working for the cause of humanity. They tell us that we are once a common individual who started our journey in difficult circumstances but never stopped believing. It was a belief which has led them to what they are today. They believed not only in individual success but also in serving the humanity. Jagatwani Achieve Award is a small effort by us, the Jagatwani team, to celebrate their success and pay sincere gratitude to these great individuals. Finally, I would say that we at Jagatwani are constantly trying to bring to light the hard work and struggle behind every success story to inspire our community and future generations. Our aim and effort is to educate the next generation by showing case these success stories and help them bring closer to our culture, our language, Hindi, our art, and our country. Thus, congratulating all of you for the success of Jagatwani, I also look forward your continued support and encouragement. Now, without taking much of your time, I welcome you all to first Jagatwani Achiever Award 2014 and wish you all have a great memorable evening. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you now please welcome the host this evening, Right Honourable the Baroness Verma, Minister for Energy and Climate Change.
Welcome to you all here today. It's a great joyous occasion to have this first award ceremony for Jagatwani, and I'd like to first start by congratulating Manoj and Manoj's father and everybody who's helped get Jagatwani to the stage it is today. It is a fabulous newspaper that allows the Indian community from the UK to connect with India and across the globe, and we're very, very proud. In fact, we are extremely proud, Mr. Khanna, of your son, Manoj, who we know works extremely hard to get this newspaper to as many people in the UK as possible. So I'd like to start by us all raising our hands and giving our recognition to Manoj. For those of you who have come here for the first time, welcome. For those of you who have been here before, it is a place that draws you to it. It has a magical feel when you come to the House of Lords, the oldest democracy in the world. We also know that in India at the moment, the largest democracy in the world is having their elections. And we just see how far the world has travelled when we are sitting here in this glorious place, this glorious parliament, being able to recognise some of the most wonderful people who have achieved so much that they are an inspiration to us all. So I'm really pleased to be hosting this. It didn't take any persuasion from Manoj to ask me to do this. It is always difficult for organisers to come and organise an event like this. It takes a lot of hard work, and I would like to thank Manoj and all of his team for all the efforts they have done. I am a British Indian and I'm extremely proud of my roots. I was born in Amritsar, and for me, my connections with India are strong. I love the culture, I love the traditions, I love everything that I have about India, but I also love my home, my country, the United Kingdom, and I think that all of those of us that are here are able to combine those two wonderful parts of our lives together, and we contribute so much to any country where we live, and I think that we should applaud ourselves for being a community that wherever it goes is a contributory community, and we always want to ensure that we not only do the best for ourselves, but that we also act positively in the future of the countries we reside in. So enjoy your evening. We're going to have great fun, great inspiration, listening to the citations of some of our most fantastic awardees. And for all of you here today, welcome, enjoy the evening and enjoy the view. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you now please give a warm welcome to Mr. Kana Sina, who will do the lighting ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be launching the magazines that are on your seats today. So Manoj is going to come around. Can we have a round of applause?
May I please welcome Ashok Verma to speak. Thank you.
There's only one my lady, Lady Verma.
Your lady.
Okay. Today we are here at the magnificent House of Lords celebrating the first Jagatwani Achievement Award. Being in the company of these great achievers is indeed an honor. The day today coincides with Akshaya Tritiya, which as per mythology is believed to bring good luck and success and considered as one of the most auspicious muhurta. The word Akshaya means the never diminishing in Sanskrit. Maintaining the bond between India and the people of Indian origin is an emotional need for overseas Indians. It has economic advantages for India and helps in good bilateral relations between India and the country where the overseas Indians are domiciled. India and its diaspora can enrich each other in a spirit of mutual interest. The Indian diaspora is like a mass of variegated strands with differing forms and textures, each with its own needs and expectations. It's important to make the legacy forward and transfer our culture to nature generation. It's important to keep the spirit alive. It's important to be healthy voice. There are issues that we face. Only with the help of proper representation will we get noticed now.
Ask Suniti Sharma, Deputy Director Minister of Ministry of External Affairs, to please come forward and say a few words. Thank you.
Baroness Verma जी, अशोक वर्मा जी, संगीता जी, मनोज जी और प्यारे मित्रों, आज यहाँ इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल होकर मुझे गर्व की अनुभूति हो रही है कि मैं ब्रिटेन में बसे भारतवंशियों की उपलब्धियों की साक्षी बन रही हूँ। ब्रिटेन की संसद के बारे में किताबों में पढ़ा था, अखबारों में पढ़ा था, सुना था, टीवी पर देखा था, पर यहाँ इस महान भवन में स्वयं खड़े होकर आपसे मुखातिब हूँ, यह सोचकर एक विशिष्ट अनुभूति हो रही है। विदेश मंत्रालय में उपसचिव हिंदी होने के नाते पूरे विश्व में हिंदी से जुड़ी गतिविधियों पर मेरी नज़र रहती है। मैं इस दिशा में ही काम करती हूँ। पिछले सप्ताह ही न्यूयॉर्क में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्षेत्रीय हिंदी सम्मेलन में शामिल होकर यहाँ लंदन पहुँची हूँ। ब्रिटेन के शहर बर्मिंघम से प्रकाशित एकमात्र हिंदी साप्ताहिक जगतवाणी की गुणवत्ता और सामग्री से मैं प्रभावित रही हूँ। ब्रिटेन के तमाम बड़े नगरों और उपनगरों में इस समाचार पत्र की पैठ से बाकायदा परिचित हूँ। यह देखकर अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है कि जगतवाणी द्वारा अब ब्रिटेन में बसे भारतवंशियों की उपलब्धियों को रेखांकित करने के लिए आज से जगतवाणी अचीवर्स सम्मान की शुरुआत की जा रही है। यह एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम है जो कि इस समाचार पत्र की सामाजिक जिम्मेदारी का सबूत है। जैसा कि मुझे जानकारी मिली है, इन सम्मानों की क्षेत्र सूची में हर क्षेत्र के भारतवंशियों को शामिल किया गया है। इससे हमें सूचना भी मिलती है कि ब्रिटेन के राजनीतिक, व्यापारिक, मीडिया, पत्रकारिता, समाज सेवा आदि के क्षेत्रों में भारतवंशी कहाँ तक पहुँच पाए हैं। इस सूची में हिंदी साहित्य को भी शामिल कर जगतवाणी ने अपनी परिपक्वता का प्रमाण दिया है। मैं जगतवाणी को अपनी ओर से, मंत्रालय की ओर से हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ और सभी सम्मानित भारतवंशियों को भी बधाई देती हूँ जिन्हें आज ये सम्मान दिया जाएगा। मैं अन्य अचीवर्स को तो निजी रूप से नहीं जानती, किंतु हिंदी साहित्यकार तेजेंद्र शर्मा जी से परिचित हूँ। चूँकि वे भारत में कई बार उनसे मुलाकात हुई है, उन्हें भारत में भी बहुत से सम्मान मिल चुके हैं। अभी कुछ ही दिनों में इन्हें भारत के राष्ट्रपति के हाथों केंद्रीय हिंदी संस्थान के सम्मान से भी अलंकृत किया जाना है। हर साल इसी हाउस ऑफ कॉमन्स में वे कथा यूके सम्मान समारोह का भी आयोजन करते हैं। मैं उच्चायोग और विदेश मंत्रालय की तरफ से उन्हें आज मिलने वाले सम्मान के लिए भी विशेष तौर से बधाई देती हूँ। हम सबके लिए यह गर्व का विषय है कि हम अपनी जन्मभूमि को दिलों में बसाए रखने के बावजूद अपने अपनाए हुए मुल्क की तरक्की के लिए जी जान से जुट जाते हैं। आज लंदन शहर में यदि पूंजी निवेश के बारे में भी सोचा जाए तो भारत का यह निवेश शायद शीर्षस्थ निवेश करने वाले देशों में होगा। मेरी कामना है कि आप ऐसे ही अपने मोर्चों पर सफलता प्राप्त करते रहें। मैं एक बार फिर जगतवाणी, मनोज जी, उनके पिता और सभी सम्मानित भारतवंशियों को बधाई देती हूँ जिन्हें आज ये सम्मान मिलेगा। जय हिंद, जय हिंदी, जय भारत।
On behalf of all of us, to you, welcome. It's really nice to be standing here this evening with all of you and wishing all the achievers here today, all my heartiest good wishes to all of them. And I hope that this event, which is the first of its kind taking place today, will become an annual event in the calendar of London, of the London cultural season, and that everybody will mark it in their diaries as a day to be remembered, a day to be cherished, because this is something which I'm sure is very dear to everybody who's present here, because it's not just, it doesn't just commemorate the achiever in any particular field. It's about achievers in all fields. The only common thing about them is that they are all Indians in their hearts, maybe not in their citizenships, but they are, they've all been here and have been really doing us all proud. And it is an amazing feeling, really, to be here in the House of Lords with all of you on this very, very special evening, and to be also part of the launch of the NRI Foundation. I should congratulate you, sir, and it's quite an idea. And I'm sure you're all, as intrigued and as delighted as I am to know how this foundation will function, how the kind of achievements it'll have in future, which I'm sure there'll be many. So thank you once again, Baroness Verma, for inviting me, and thank you for all of you for being here with us to celebrate this wonderful day, which will introduce us to serious achievers in every walk of life. Thank you.
Now we will begin the evening with our first award, which will go to Mr. Atul Pathak. Can I please welcome Mr. Atul Pathak to come and receive his award. Baroness Verma, could you kindly issue the award?
I think I've been told Mr. Pathak
He's coming behalf of him.
is not here, but somebody's receiving on his behalf. Okay.
I think a good round of applause.
Our next award goes to a gentleman for his contributions in law, Mr. Mitesh Patel. Please can we put your hands together for Mr. Mitesh Patel while he comes to the podium.
It's fantastic being here. I'm very humbled by everybody's successes and stories here. In terms of Levine Solicitors, I'll keep it short because I'm sure all the adverts have bored everybody. But we have a philosophy which is to serve the community, and so the award that I had previously is not something which I can take full credit for. I've got a wonderful team, 2 key members are here today, and hopefully we can continue trying to do what everyone else has been doing, which is trying to serve the community in the best way possible and try and inspire others to try and follow suit. So thank you very much and hope you have a great evening.
Mr. Bhupinder Singh, Managing Director of Punjab National Bank, can we please welcome Mr. Bhupinder Singh to come and
My lords, ladies, Right Honourable Baroness Verma,